Hey everyone, my name is Connor Keishel, and today I'm going to be reviewing and breaking down everything that you need to know about the Trustmade softshell rooftop tent. This rooftop tent has absolutely changed the way I camp. It is so much quicker to set up than a traditional tent. It offers weather protection, it is much more secure, it's extremely comfortable with the mattress that comes with it, and it even has a travel bag that goes around once you have it all wrapped up. And we're gonna see how spectacular the inside is here in just a second.
The rooftop tent that we have here is from Trustmade and is a soft shell tent in the color coffee. They also have hard shell models, but I chose the soft shell because it provides slightly more living space. It fits up to 2 adults at 700-pound weight capacity. I did choose to side mount mine instead of rear mount it because it won't interfere with my bike rack or any other bar accessories. The setup overall was pretty easy. Opening the tent and putting up the side awnings takes me about 3 to 4 minutes. The tent is made from a durable canvas with a PU coating that makes it waterproof and offers UV protection.
So a great piece about this soft shell tent is that it comes with this lightweight aluminum ladder that locks into place so that it's extra secure when you're camping inside of it. Now, I told you we're gonna take a look on the inside. Let's go up and take a look.
As you can see, it's pretty spacious and has plenty of storage. These are great for storing clothes or electronics. And it does come with a 2-inch thick foam mattress that's very comfortable. The windows and doors are large and have a separate zipper for the screens. So this allows airflow and keeps the bugs out.
Overall, I love that it is so easy to install and set up and is truly a game changer when it comes to camping and off-road adventures.